So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a stock to your watch list here on the Questrade application. So in a previous video, I showed you guys how to create a watch list. So once again, if you were to scroll down to the bottom and you might be on the positions tab right here, just go ahead and press on watch list. Now for this demonstration, I have watch list 1. We can go ahead and actually just create a new watch list, for example, my watch list 2. Now where it says add a symbol right here, press on add a symbol. So if you wanted to add Tellus and Dollarama, for example, go ahead and press on that, then press on done, and there you go. You've now added it that way to your watch list. Another way you can do it as well is if you go to the top right and press on stock. So we'll just type in ticker symbol Meta, just like this. I will go ahead and press on the top right the star icon. You can add this to whatever watch list you're looking for. So if you wanted to add this to watch list 2, then press on save. If I were to go down to my watch list 2, I've now added Meta Platforms Incorporated to the watch list. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add a stock to your watch list here on the Questrade application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.